Hello my lovely crafters, Miss Ashley here, and today I am going to walk you through making some paper stars. Inside your kit you're going to find 3 different sheets of paper. You've got 2 different shades of green, and you'll have a piece of scrapbooking paper as well. That one's kind of thick, so I wouldn't advise starting with that piece unless you know how to make paper stars. I'm actually going to start with my bright green paper, so I'm going to set the other 2 pieces aside. Now from home, you're going to want to grab your best pair of scissors, and if you want to write a message inside, you're going to want to grab a pen as well. So go ahead and start by cutting a strip of paper. You're going to want to cut so that you're going along the longest side of the paper. And you actually want to cut your strip kind of thin. I did some test runs earlier and I found that the thinner the strip was, the better I did when folding it. So I'd go about 1/2 inch or so. Doesn't have to be perfectly straight, it's going to be all folded up. Okay. Yep, my paper. Okay. So you're going to start, pause. If you choose to give this to a friend or loved one and you want to write kind of a secret message inside or something to lift their spirits, grab your pen, write your message now, okay? When you're ready to get folding, hold your strip up and down, grab the top, and you're going to start by tying a knot in the paper strip, and you're going to start that knot by bending your strip down and to the right, okay? Pulling that extra piece through. This is the shape that I've got going here. Okay. You see that I've got kind of a little bit of a tail sticking out. Now you don't want to pull so tight that you're starting to tear your paper. That's actually what happened when I did my strip too thick. So pull just here about the point of where it's nice and snug. Tuck that strip underneath. Okay, now you're just going to wrap your long tail of paper around the pentagon. 5 sides. Okay, you're just going to keep going until you get, yep, and it's going to kind of alternate sides, by the way, as you go. Hopefully, anyway, that's the goal. But keep going until you get to the point where you've got just a little piece left that you can tuck inside your star. So I'm almost there. Yep, I'm there now. Okay. So this is how much, if you can see on the camera, I know the lighting is kind of terrible sometimes, but that's how much I've got left. Okay, so you're going to tuck that in that outside flap here. Uh-oh, doesn't want to stay. I'm going to back up. I don't think that piece is quite long enough. So if yours is doing the same thing mine is, back up and bend a little bit of your paper so that it's a little bit shorter. Okay, so this is the piece, the length that I've got sticking out now. See how I've bent a little bit of mine down and stick that piece underneath the outside flap. That should go in. Yeah, that works a lot better. Okay, and then you should be left with a little pentagon. All right, so this part you're going to kind of start squeezing it into shape. And the first couple you do, if you've never done this before, might be a little misshapen. That's okay. Mine was too. Okay. And you're just going to use your fingers to pinch the corners of that pentagon so that it starts to take on. There it goes. Just needs some working. There. Starts to take on that star shape. That will happen to you a few times, I am quite sure. go. Oops, that one's a little crunched. Okay, and that side just doesn't want to bend. There we go. Ta-da! A little paper star. Okay, so you've got tons of paper here. You can make lots of messages. You can make a bunch of these and put them kind of alternating colors in a little jar. Make a springy decoration to brighten up your space, and then celebrate the hopefully warming up of our weather. Okay, so that's all I've got for you today. It's quick and easy. Hardest part is, of course, pinching your star into shape, but hopefully you'll get the hang of it. Okay, so I will see you soon. You can pick these up beginning today, this morning, as soon as the library doors open, and they're available while supplies last. So I will talk to you soon. Bye!